I hope you're well. Oh, I'm so excited today. I've had the new Mystery Carnival pins from Hong Kong. They've arrived. I have 4 boxes. 2. Yes, I can count in 2s. 2, 4. So we're going to open those today. So catch me on the other side of the intro. Here we go. Excited, you ready for this? I love saying this bit. Ready? Ready, let's go. I was so excited when I saw these new mystery pins. As you know, I absolutely adore all the Hong Kong and Shanghai pins. I think they're absolutely beautiful. They're different. The quality seems better. Fingers crossed. So yeah, so when I saw these, I got mine off Pin Trade Tracy, so I'll put her down below here. She's lovely, so that's where I get my pins from. And yeah, we're going to open them all today. Now, put my glasses on so I can tell you a bit more about the pins. Ooh, and I'm wearing the ones without the tint, so hopefully I won't get as much reflection in my lenses. It looks okay to me. I've got my light up there, so it's a learning process, isn't it? So, these pins, there's 8 pins in the actual set. Well, there's not. I think there's, is there 16? 15 or 16, but some of them will be released in April when the pin trading carnival starts over in Hong Kong. So there's 8, and that's your first 6. So you've got Chip, Dumbo, Cheshire. I'm trying to read it upside down there. You have got Scrump, Stitch. Oh, and that dog? Yeah, and the dog. We'll call him the dog for now. But yeah, so you've got those ones. Now, you don't very often see him, and you don't really see pins of Dumbo either, or Scrump actually, unless they're with Stitch. So those are really unusual. And then on the other side, you have got the little green alien from Toy Story and Ham from Toy Story, and obviously it's just about to come up as the Chinese New Year, Year of the Pig. And I think all things said, I think I did quite good knowing 7 out of 8. Why don't I know that one? Anyway, so they're lovely little boxes. Look how little they are compared to my hand. So you actually think they're going to be really big when they come. And I know the first time I ordered pins from Hong Kong and it was the tins, I was like, but are they going to come to me? How is she going to be able to post them to me? Because they're huge. They're not huge. So it's lovely. And I really do wish America would do something like this. And I really wish Paris would do mystery pins, which they don't do. So yeah, shall we start? Oh, I hate starting because once you start, you've done, haven't you? Right, let's start. Let's see who we get. First box, we're normally okay. Right. Right, I've got my scissors. And I've got my knife, because apparently these boxes, these little bags inside are quite stiff. So first of all, I'm going to do the sellotape. Right, let's have a look. And inside, oh, okay. So inside you've got your little chart. Oh, that's really good. Okay, so these are the 8 that I could possibly get today. Now there's 3 pins in each box and I've got 4, so I'm going to have 12 pins, so hopefully I might complete it. But then on the back there's another 10, also there's 18, so those are the ones you can play games for or ask to have games played for you so you can get them. Now if I was to get any of those, the ones I'd want are Lotso, Shelley May, because obviously Tokyo, gotta have Shelley May, and Mrs. Potts. I think those ones would be the main characters that if I play games or if Tracy played games for me, those are the ones I'd like. But we've got these 8. Oh my, it gets really nerve-wracking. Oh, these are quite thin little baggies. Okay, I can put, oh, I don't need my scissors. Right, okay. So what have we got? What's the first one to say? going to be one of them days? Do you think I could possibly have one of those days? This is really nice. The paint on the character is like, it's beveled, so it's like raised. It's going in a concave or concurve, I don't know which one it is. Oh, it's hiding my ears. And I have got the alien. Look at him. Can you see that the paint is actually very slightly, you can't really see, but it is very slightly raised. That's really nice. Oh, I'm really thrilled. I'm really, really thrilled, because that's the one everyone wants in this set, and I've got it, so that's wonderful. Right, what's it say on the back? Let's take this off, the pin back off. And it is a hidden Mickey pin, because you've got the little logo on the bottom, so I didn't realise that. So, oh, showing the wrong side again. But if you look, if I take me out, there you go. So that's what it says on the back. But then if you look again on the front, on the little basket, you've got your little hidden Mickey. Can you see that? So these are actually Hong Kong hidden Mickeys, aren't those fabulous? Right, let's put that on there. And I'll show you a close-up of them all afterwards. Right, so that's one. Number two, what have we got in this bag? You know when you look at it and you don't know what it is. It's never a good moment, is it? Oh my word, and there's a camera recording the moment. And it's the dog, and I'm still none the wiser. I'm still absolutely none the wiser, so there you go. So there's the little fella with his hidden Mickey on his basket. And I really don't know who he is. Maybe he's out of Oliver and Company. I don't know. Tell me down below. So, yeah, so that's one. I'm going to take his back off. I've got a little board to show the pins on. Right. Next one. What's in the next one? My phone's beeping away. Oh, and it's Chip. I really like these, and they're really heavy pins as well. Let's take the little back off. I really like these ones. And there's Chip. But don't you think it's really strange that there's not a Dale in the box, it's just one? And it's Chip because he's got a chocolate chip nose. Right. 3 down. 9 to go. I like those sort of ones, don't you? Right, let's open the box again. Ooh, tell you, this little hook of mine, my little safety knife, I love this. Isn't it funny how we get attached to different things? Right. In here, we've got 3 boxes. I really hope they're mixed up. This is always a moment, isn't it? It's the first one a double. Oh, that's really nice as well. That's really nice. So I've got the Cheshire Cat. So look at that smile. Oh, that's a really nice pin. I need to actually watch Alice in Wonderland again. I haven't watched that for a while. I might pop that on when I'm editing this video actually. So Cheshire Cat. We'll start a new row on my little board. Right. Next one, what have we got now? I'm really pleased. I am really, really pleased. I've had some of the Hong Kong and Shanghai pins come, and I've ordered some for the new year, and I'm really, really excited because you have to have a ham. It's the year of the pig, so to get this on the pin Carnival, isn't that fabulous? Oh, these are really lovely. I do like these, and they're really nice quality, and the sheen on the paint, really, really pretty. Right, okay. So we've now got 5 out of the 8. Okay. Ooh. No, I lie. We've got 6 out of the 8. How fab is this? Oh. And this is another one I've not watched for absolutely ages. And that's Dumbo. Look at the sheen. Oh, these are really pretty pins. Really pretty pins. So that's Dumbo. Right. we're now on to the last 2 boxes. So we need 2. So who do we need? Oh, we need Scrump and Stitch, don't we? We've got Cheshire, we've got Dumbo, we've got Chip, we've got the dog with no name, we've got the alien, and we've got Ham. So we need Scrump and Stitch. Scrump, he just evades me, or he's very elusive, is that the word to me? When we were Blake dressed up on Halloween, and I was Lilo and he was Stitch, and we looked everywhere to get a Scrump plush so I could carry it as Lilo. You can order them online. Do you think the parks had one? Do you think any shop had one? No. But never mind, never mind. Right. Ooh, I'm throwing a pin here. Right, so 3 more little baggies. Right. Oh, this is where it starts to get a bit... what will I get? This is Dumbo. Yes, I got another Dumbo. So this will be interesting because I've been putting these on the line, so it'll be interesting if they're all the same or different in each box. So another Dumbo. I think these boxes are the same. I do. I've just got another Cheshire. And that's how we say it, Cheshire. Not Cheshire, it's Cheshire. Cheshire. So like Cheshire Oaks, Cheshire. I suppose if one speaks the Queen's English, it might be Cheshire. It's Cheshire. To us regular folk, it's Cheshire. Right, so there's a Cheshire cat. You know, when people say Cheshire, I'm always screaming at the telly, Cheshire, Cheshire. Ah, little things, right. So, if it's a double box, this will be a Ham. And what do you know? It's a Ham. Okay. Well, I've got 3 traders there, haven't I? So hopefully I will get them if they're not in the next box. Okay. Okay, last box. I need you now to send me vibes. Send me vibes. Engulf me in vibes. We need this to be Cheshire. Not Cheshire. We need it to be Stitch and Scrump. Right, put it in this little box. Okay. Are you sending vibes? Are you chinking your tea mugs? Are you having a sip of tea? You see, that's all good luck for me. I'm relying on you all. No pressure. No pressure. Right, let's have a look. So we've got the last 3. Oh, okay. I love you all. Have I told you that recently? I love you all. Look, I've got Scrump and it's the same colour as my top. Look, where's she? Oh, doesn't she look like a character out of Andy's toy box all put together and misshapen? So you know what that means? I need Stitch, so come on, send me the vibes. Come on, engulf me again. You know, all my YouTube friends are going to be sat there going, Karen, really? Yeah, really? Come on, engulf me on good wishes. Let's have vibes together. Because you're responsible. Right, let's have a look. Oh my. I thought, no, we got another Chip. We had another Chip. But that's all right, because they had to put 3 pins in, didn't they? They had to put 3, and because we're only missing 2, there had to be a duplicate along the way. Oh, please, please, please. I'm feeling it now. What does he look like? No, I don't think it is. I don't know what it is. No, I thought it was for a minute. I got all excited. You see, you didn't send me as many vibes the second time, did you? Definitely not. So I'm missing Stitch because I've got another dog with no name. Oh, house so close and so far away. Oh, but I can't believe that. That's fabulous. I am really thrilled. So yeah, so I am now needing, yeah, I'm needing stitch. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at the ones we've got. So these are all the ones we've got. So we've got the alien, the dog with no name and Chip, Cheshire, Ham, Dumbo, Cheshire and Ham, Scrump, Chip and the dog with no name. But aren't they fabulous? Oh, I'm so thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. So, if you've got a stitch and you want a Ham, a Cheshire, a Dumbo, a dog with no name or a Chip, let me know and we can do a trade. Thanks everyone. I'm going to get this out tonight. So I'm recording it on the same day that I'm editing it. So no, I've not swapped. No one's traded yet. So that is really the state of play. But thank you so very much. Hope you've enjoyed that today. I love it when I've got new mystery boxes even. Put my teeth back in. I love that. And yeah, I've got some of the Small World ones. I've got some of the Mickey House Party. I'm still trying to get some from Orlando. I've got 3 boxes of the Disneyland and I wanted to do them together and compare. But I've not been able to get my hands on any as yet. What else have I got? I've got some Beauty and the Beast sums. I've got loads of different sum packs to open. Oh, and I've got 2 more boxes of the Pixar coming because I was so close on that as well, wasn't I? So yeah, so thanks so much. I know you wasn't expecting a video today, but I have to tell you, if I don't record, I miss you. I sit there and I'm like, I need to do a video. I need to do a video. It's like, yeah. So thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you feel the same way about me as I feel about you. And don't forget, if you've not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and head over to my other videos and click on the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's still going. We've got a week and a half left. If you've not entered, enter. It could be anyone's number. I've given out 270 entries to date. I know I've got some more to give out. I'll be doing that at the end of the week. And it doesn't mean that the winning number's in the first 270. So, you know, enter, you don't know. I use a random number generator. It'll be done live on Instagram and I'll record it and I'll put it on YouTube as well. So it's anyone's game. But as a very famous British artist said, and was it Brucey? I'm not sure. But you can't win it if you're not in it. And that's very true. You've got to be in it to win it. So yeah, so go ahead. Do that. Yeah, I can't wait to do that. I'm so excited, and someone will be ear twinsies with me. And yeah, if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up as well. But thanks so much. Have a wonderful evening, wonderful day if you're over in America, and I'll see you really soon, as in tomorrow. Tomorrow I've got a new subscription box. We're popping a box tomorrow, so I'll see you tomorrow. Take care everyone, be good, be kind and be careful. See you soon. Bye.